Aircraft carriers epitomize naval power projection, embodying a nation's capacity to influence vast oceanic expanses. These floating airbases are not just instruments of war, but symbols of hope and solidarity during times of crisis. From delivering aid to disaster-stricken regions, to projecting force in the midst of conflicts, they are pivotal in shaping the course of global geopolitics. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and manned by highly trained personnel, these carriers are at the forefront of modern naval warfare. Their ability to deploy and sustain an impressive array of aircraft, missiles, and support systems makes them unrivaled in their strategic importance. Join us as we embark on a journey to explore the top 10 aircraft carriers currently navigating the world's oceans. Each carrier on this list represents the pinnacle of maritime engineering and strategic prowess. The United States Navy is embarking on a monumental endeavor: the construction of the Gerald R. Ford-class nuclear-powered aircraft carriers. With the capacity to house over 75 aircraft and a crew of up to 4,539 personnel, these carriers are floating fortresses. Their two nuclear reactors provide unmatched endurance, allowing them to operate for extended periods without refueling. The second ship of this class is slated for commissioning in 2025. It embodies cutting-edge technology and formidable capabilities, ready to dominate the seas. With a total load displacement of 100,000 tons, the sheer presence of these carriers is daunting. Each carrier carries a price tag of approximately $12.998 billion. Nimitz-class aircraft carrier USA. It is 10 nuclear-powered aircraft carriers currently serving in the United States Navy. Each ship measures an impressive 1,092 feet, 333 meters in overall length and has a full load displacement exceeding 100,000 tons. Until the USS Gerald R. Ford joined the fleet in 2017, Nimitz-class carriers held the distinction of being the largest warships ever constructed and operational. As of 2023, the cost of a Nimitz-class carrier is estimated at $11.2 billion. In the vast expanses of the South China Sea, a new titan emerges, a symbol of China's maritime prowess, the Fujian aircraft carrier. Launched on a historic day, June 17, 2022, the Fujian embarked on its maiden voyage, marking a new chapter in China's naval ambitions. As of May 2024, the Fujian continues to undergo rigorous sea trials, testing its capabilities in real-world conditions. With a full load displacement of approximately 80,000 tons, the Fujian is a colossus of the seas, measuring 316 meters in length and boasting a beam of 76 meters. Russian Navy's fleet lies, the formidable Admiral Kuznetsov, born from a vision of naval supremacy, originally christened as the Riga. This aircraft carrier stands as the pinnacle of Russian maritime engineering, a symbol of power projecting across vast oceans. With dimensions that stretching 305 meters, boasting a beam of 72 meters, spanning an impressive 14,700 square meters, can house a formidable fleet of fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters. The project had not received approval, primarily due to its financial implications, estimated at $9 billion. India's maritime prowess, INS Vikrant. It became India's first aircraft carrier to be entirely built domestically. With an investment of over $3.2 billion. The construction of INS Vikrant symbolizes India's commitment to bolstering its indigenous naval capabilities. weighing in at approximately 45,000 tons and stretching over 262 meters in length. INS Vikrant commands respect on the high seas. Although it surpasses it in size, INS Vikrant distinguishes itself with its utilization of more advanced technology. Proudly standing as the flagship of the French Navy, the Charles de Gaulle aircraft carrier as the first nuclear-powered surface vessel in the French fleet, a groundbreaking feat that set it apart from its conventional counterparts. With a displacement of 42,500 tons and stretching over 261.5 meters in length, its immense size allows it to house a formidable air wing comprising up to 40 fixed-wing aircraft and helicopters. Designed with a focus on versatility and stealth, Charles de Gaulle excels in both assault and transport roles, exemplifying France's commitment to global security and showcasing its formidable naval power. The formidable Cavour. Launched into the maritime in 2004, the Cavour emerges as Italy's pride, a symbol of naval prowess and technological innovation. At the heart of its arsenal lies a 232.6-meter-long flight deck, a sprawling stage where aerial ballets unfold and missions are born. Yet, beyond its role as a floating bastion of defense, the Cavour harbors a secret, a vast hangar capable of housing up to 24 main battle tanks, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice, ensuring its adaptability in the face of ever-evolving challenges. It ensures comprehensive security. The carrier, with a price tag of 1.39 billion euros in 2010. Meet the Juan Carlos I, Spain's pride and protector of the seas. A marvel of engineering and ingenuity, this multi-purpose aircraft carrier landing helicopter unit represents the pinnacle of naval innovation. Launched in September 2009 and commissioned in September 2010, it stands as a testament to Spain's commitment to maritime excellence. At 230.8 meters in length and boasting a beam of 32 meters, it commands respect and admiration wherever it sails, with a complement of approximately 900 naval personnel, along with equipment and support elements for 1,200 soldiers. It stands as a formidable asset. The carrier features a 202-meter flight deck, complete with a ski jump ramp, facilitating operations with AV-8B Harrier II aircraft. The Queen Elizabeth-class aircraft carrier, a marvel of modern engineering and naval prowess. Built by the Aircraft Carrier Alliance, these titans of the sea represent a monumental investment in defense. With a price tag of £7.6 billion, with a displacement of around 65,000 tons and stretching 280 meters in length, these carriers loom large on the horizon. Despite their formidable stature, these carriers operate with remarkable efficiency, with dedicated crew of 679 personnel who keep the ship running smoothly. Their versatility is unmatched, capable of carrying up to 40 rotary and fixed-wing aircraft, including the F-35B jets and Agile Merlin helicopter. Chukri Narrabet, a symbol of Thailand, with a length of 182.65 meters and a beam of 30.5 meters, this formidable vessel, housing up to 675 troops. It serves as a floating fortress, ready to respond to any challenge that may arise. It has played a crucial role in various disaster relief operations, notably in the aftermath of the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami, demonstrating its versatility and humanitarian capability. Thanks for watching. Please share your thoughts about aircraft carrier in the comments section.